Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product Back to Basics. So firstly I am thanking you that you are giving your valuable time to watch my video, and that is very much for me that you are giving your time. Time is always more valuable than money, and I really believe it. So inside this video I will give you a detailed review of Back to Basics, and I will show you what are the stuffs given inside it. This is an info based tool, like informations are given or training given, a training course is given. It is totally done for or made for the newbie marketers, totally newbie affiliate marketers, or you are a totally newbie and you have not started marketing. Then it will be an essential, or it will be very much suitable for you. Okay, so inside this pack you will be given the welcome video is not needed, and apart from that the overview is not needed also. Introduction to the training not needed. Hello from Manoj not needed. Quick overview. From the quick overview, this is the main thing, and from the quick overview you need to start and you need to check out the tool after purchasing it, obviously. So I know all of the methods are given inside it. I am implementing it for past 1 year and I am doing so. Beginning of my journey, I have also checked so many videos from YouTube. If you have time, I will not recommend you to get this tool. Like if you have time 6 months, then you can search inside YouTube and you can get the same stuffs totally for free. If you have 6 months or maybe 3 months, okay, so you can check out from YouTube. You can get the knowledge. If you don't have that, you should check it. You should check the product. It is raining inside India. I am trying my best to give you the information. So this is the tool: the Pinterest method, the Instagram, the Facebook method, the medium traffic method, and all of the methods are given. And this is a very cheap tool. I will recommend you to get it if you have money, and if you don't wanna waste your 3 months or 2 months. That is the thing. The bonuses are given, and if you get the tool from this page, you will be given more bonuses that will help you inside your future journey to give the bonuses to your customer that will provoke them to purchase your product. Okay, so you are provided also 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and apart from that the bonuses, the mega bonus and normal bonus. Inside the normal bonus you will be given these 30 plus bonuses inside front end product. And if you purchase any of the upsells apart from the front end, you will be given the mega bonus box with 400 plus stuffs. Mainly there are also softwares, and apart from that the plugins, the loop musics, and all of the stuffs like the image music tracks. So check out the sales page via clicking the buttons given on inside this page and get the tool. And that is the thing. If you want to get the bonuses, I am signing out for this video. Thanks again. Have a good day. It is raining, so much raining from inside India. So I am from Kolkata. Bye bye.